Hello guys, everyone. Thank you for subscribe. Gusto ko share sa inyo. Salamat da kayo subscribe ako. Salamat kayo teachers, classmates. Noon 2023 ay gusto ko vlogger, ay gusto ko TikTok, ay gusto ko happy for us all them students. So salamat ito'y share this. Salamat for you teachers, sa akin noon 23 last year. Happy New Year people, for us all them. Your heart, my life. Gusto ko watch this start vlogging. Thank you to share this. Thank you subscribe. Thank you po. Gusto ko na start January 29, 2023. Start ako vlogger. Lunes 29. Thank you po. Subscribe kayo. Start vlogger ako. TikTok, follow us. Kuya Johannes, Sped Center, BC. Yung classmates ko, share, you follow him. Follow them. Okay, thank you po. Bye guys. See you 29. Bye.
Ready na ba? Ay, yung mga manunod, hindi pa ata ready. Ready na ba kayo? If you're ready, raise your hand and you shake it. That's a clap. Okay, yun yung clap sa sign language. Okay, kung ready na? Okay, shake again your hand. Come on. Let's show support to our fellow students. Okay.
Trying to free your mind. I can only show you the door. You're the one that belongs to me.